What's up guys, Cece here. Welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday and I want to share part of my weekend routine with you guys. I'm cleaning up a bit and spreading the bed. Once I'm finished, then I'm going to set the mood by lighting a nice candle and setting the atmosphere so I could read my book as a part of my self-care healing journey. And once I'm finished reading, then I could carry on and continue the rest of my day. Hey guys, so I'm finished with my session. Now I can continue with my day. I'm going to take you guys along with me while I try to find some good Easter items to make these Easter baskets. So last year was really good. And yeah, let's see if this year they have better items. But before I do all that, let me show you guys this cute items. The flowers that I got for Valentine's Day. I finally discard of the flowers and I save the packaging. I don't know if it's just me, but let me show you. Remember the flowers that came with this? I thought the flower and I keep the package. Like, look how cute this is. I don't know what to put in it yet, but for now I just put my little knickknacks in it. So like my face cream, more face cream, retinol, and yeah, so I just put my little knickknacks in here for now. But how cute. Like, is it just me because I saved my packaging? If it comes in a cute package, I'm saving it. Like, why would I throw this away? But this is also an example of the packaging that I saved. Like this, I purchased this so long ago, and it was some soaps, like soap bombs came in it, and it was packaging for like 12 different soap bombs, and I'm like, I could use this for my jewelry box. So that's what I did. My earrings in here, studs, earring, necklace. How cute is this? Like, creative or what? Love it. And this is what I did with the handbag flowers that I had. Put it in the bathroom. This is my makeup stuff. Body spray, face wash, deodorant, candle. Like, how cute is this? Like, tell me this ain't cute. Love it. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm trying to get Easter baskets. Let me see. I had these one last year, but this is in Kelly's. I definitely want to check the $2 store before I buy anything. But let me see the prices. This one is $2.99 each, $3. Oh, these bunnies are so cute. How much are they? $9. Jeez. I'm making gift packages, so I need baskets. This one, I don't want them too big though. I don't want the basket too big. So why this bigger one is less than this? This is $3 and this is $2 something. It's too big. Let's go to the $2 store. See if they have anything better, cheaper. This is cute. I have bunny ears though. I don't even know if you can see. Oh, and I have the eggs from last year. I have some eggs. You know what? Let me come out these people's store before I break something. Anyways, $2 store better don't let me down because I'm banking everything on it. Okay, this is what the $2 store have. These tiny eggs instead. And these glasses, I don't know who could fit those. These too small. And whatever these is, like, what are these? I guess you hang it on your door or something. But no, I bought these erasers last year. They're cute. But I'm really looking for baskets. Okay. There's a basket over here. These too small. These way too small. I can't do this. No, no, no. I bought this last year. I could get some more. Man, I need a bigger basket. Like, it's too tiny. Like, come on now. What the hell you can put in these? No, $2 store let me down. I'm gonna have to go back to Kelly's. Alright, I'll be back, people, because this ain't it. Okay, guys, it's the next day, and I'm just gonna show you what I purchased yesterday for the Easter baskets. I have the goodies here. I have to pay for this bag. $160. $1.60. I am dead. Anyways, in the $2 store, you guys saw me purchase this. This is like grass. So it's basically just to put in the basket before you put the items on it. So some Easter grass. This was $2.25. $2.25. Also in the $2 store, I got some small lollipops. I don't know how much comes in it. Yeah, but this was $2.75. So this is one of the candy set that we're gonna put in. Oh, $2. So I just got this chip so I could try it. It says better flavor, Jamaica, nice. Plantain strips, not plantain chips. Okay, strips. So I say let me try it. I might try it with you guys before I finish this video. I think that's all I got from the $2 store. Then I went to a random store and I got this because they were selling these for $1. I still use hand sanitizer, so I just got it. And when I think about it, I should have got two, but I'm going to fill my bottles that I have for work, and I keep one in my car. So one at work, one in my car, and one in my bag, my little pouch. And then I went to Kelly's. I went back to Kelly's and I got these eggs because the one in the $2 store was way too small. It was smaller than this. And look at these. These are still small. But I didn't want it too big anyways. This was $2.25 as well. I don't think this bad. $2.25 for 10 or 8? 10 or 12? 12. Wow, that's a slow moment. I thought it was 14 for a minute. Anyways, I also got 2 buckets. These buckets were $2.65 each. $2.65. I only bought 2 because I already have 2 baskets, but they're smaller, so I might have to purchase 2 more of these. You know when you're spending money and then you feel like you're spending too much, so you don't buy the stuff even though you know you need it, and you have to go back. Anyways, I might have to go back for it. Also in Kelly's, I picked up some small toys because I already have a few toys for the basket. I just picked up some more stuff that I feel like I could add. So this for a boy, I don't know exactly what it is. It says flashing top. So I guess you put it on, spin it, and it flash and light up. I don't know. Anyways, this was $1.65. This is like fake makeup for girls. What is this? Eyeshadow, I think. Yeah, makeup. This is $1.75. The girls stuff are always so cute, and then the boys, I feel like they don't know what to do, what to give the boys. Like this is a harmony instrument that they could just blow. This is also $1.65. I think I'll put this in a boy basket. And then I just got some bubbles. You can't go wrong with bubbles. And this set, this 3-piece set was $2.25. Everything was $2.25. Like, what's going on? Yeah, that's all I purchased yesterday. I'm definitely gonna bring you along when I'm making the basket. That's gonna be a separate video. I normally make Valentine's, Easter, Christmas, Halloween baskets and post a video. So I'm waiting on some stuff that I purchased on Amazon. So as soon as they get in, then I can make my baskets. And I can be early this year. So I'm gonna start making the flyer so I can start advertising. Oh, you guys didn't remind me. I forgot I said I was gonna try this chip with you guys. And this is $2.24. I hope it's worth it, because any chips that's for more than $1, they need to stop. Only because it's Jamaican. So this is how they look. They look like the regular chips instead of strips. I don't know why they call it strips. Anyways, they smell like cracker. It doesn't taste different. It tastes like the regular plantain chips, not strips. It tastes like the regular plantain chips, like lightly seasoned. I could do some more. I could use some more salt. Oh, there you go. Say low in sodium, so that's why it's lightly seasoned. Okay. Not bad. Would I buy it again? Not really. Not really. I wonder why they have avocado picture here. And then the dip. It's like a dip, so I guess you could use that as a dip. But it's good. Because the regular chips are good. So this is the same. Doesn't say it's different. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for coming along with me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Click the like button before you leave. I'm gonna film another video, so I'll see you guys. I'm gonna be recording a never have I ever challenge. Stay tuned for that video. Subscribe because you don't want to miss it. Hey guys, so it's Sunday and we're on the road. And I'm craving ice cream, so I decided that we're gonna do a quick little ice cream date. Yes, so we're gonna get some ice cream, go on the beach, and just relax and enjoy the last few hours before the weekend is over. Okay, I hope they have ice cream, carrot cake ice cream. I tried that before and it's just yummy. I love carrot cake, but I didn't know they have the ice cream. So when I tried that, I gotta get some more of those. So hopefully they do have it. Yeah, carrot cake ice cream. If you haven't tried it, try it out, guys. Try it. Yeah, I tried to look cute, but I'm just tired and drained. But I want to get my ice cream fix. So let's go. So they didn't have what I want, so I'm going to get coconut pineapple and a mango. I tried the coconut pineapple and the peach, so yeah. Why they didn't have the carrot? Yeah. Thank you. Can I get a couple of red velvet?
Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire.